Well, breaking news involving a missing persons case out of New Madrid County. The New Madrid County Sheriff says hunters found Caleb Powell's abandoned truck today in rural part of the county, but Powell was not with his truck. He has been missing since April. The sheriff says crews will conduct directed searches over the next few weeks in the area where the truck was found. Here is another look at Caleb Powell. Sheriff Joey Higgerson says they are not asking for volunteers to help with the search. The search is taking place on private property and no one is allowed on the property without consent from the landowner. However, if you have information on the whereabouts of Powell, you should contact the New Madrid County Sheriff's Office.